Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at another device on the channel that comes to us from NUU. This is the NUU B30Pro 5G. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the NUU B30Pro 5G. Big shout out to them for actually sending this out to me. I've actually had it for a few weeks and I haven't had the chance to really open it, but here we go. This is the box. It does have a 6.7-inch display. It is a full HD and is also AMOLED as well, so it is actually 1080p, 120 hertz on the refresh rate, 12 gigabytes of RAM, and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, a 5,000 milliamp battery, and all that good stuff. So this will actually work with a bunch of SIM cards except for Verizon. It should work with T-Mobile, Cricket, and with AT&T, but I will let you guys know down in the comments, and if I'm incorrect then you guys let me know. So let's see how you open this here. So you have a little box here, you pop that open. All right, NUUmobile.com, the NUU B30Pro 5G, and this is a high-end budget device, so it does have a price tag of about $300 if you buy it on Amazon, and if you buy it from the website, I believe it's on sale for $269. But you do have a in-display fingerprint scanner, you got Android 13, and it does have a 5G Dimensity 7050 and a 5,000 milliamp battery, like I said earlier, and it does have a dual SIM capability as well. And this does have a MediaTek, so it's a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset. So this should be good for light gaming and all that good stuff. So let's just pop this baby open. Oh, it looks like it's coming out pretty quick here. So as you can see, straight off the bat, typical fashion by NUU Mobile. Very pretty devices, really nice. I don't see no plastic or anything in this one, but let's see if we can power it on. NUU Android, powered by Android, so it doesn't have a flat display, and you have these 3 big cameras right up top, and you do have the NUU Mobile logo there. So let's see what we have in the box here. So you have our charging cable, and I did see how it was type C, so you have your type C to type C charging cable, and there's a thick cable as well. And you have your charging brick right over here, branded for NUU Mobile. And from the other reviews that I've seen, it does actually come with a case. Let's see if I got the case of mine. So it does actually come with a free case, and you got the silica gel on deck, and you have your NUU Mobile stickers, and you have your getting started with your B30Pro 5G. Now, as far as the specs for the camera, let's go over here. So we have a 108 megapixel main sensor. You have a 32 megapixel front camera, and you have a 2 megapixel macro camera as well for your close-ups, and you also have a wide angle lens coming in at 8 megapixels. But as far as the feel in the hand, it feels like it will be a little bit slippery. It does actually feel really premium. As far as the display, you do have the AMOLED on deck on here, and there's plenty of companies who actually still use the AMOLED 1080p right now, so I am not surprised by that, especially for the price. For under $300, I think that it does have the qualities. Really nice looking device here. All right, we can accept all that stuff, we could skip it. I will be taking this phone for a little bit of a test run. As you can see, it does have the stock Google right here. We're gonna test out a whole bunch of options here, but as you can see, it does have the vibrant colors, and it really looks cool so far. So you have your speaker, and you have your SIM ejection tray, and you have your type C port. Volume up and down is on the right hand side, and the power is below. But It really looks nice so far. It does give me the feels like the old school Samsung Galaxy, what was that, the FE models. This does actually give that feel to me, but let's see if it's as fast, because it does have the MediaTek processor in here. Let's check out the camera. All right, let's check out the camera a bit, see how fast that shutter is. It looks pretty fast. All right, check out the plant. Looks pretty fast with the shutter. See how that quality is, and it does have a 108 megapixel camera. Now if I had to look at the quality, it does give me that TCL type feel there, but you do get a little bit of details here, and you do have the option for the 108 megapixel camera. So let's see how fast that shutter is if we do that. Probably should take a little bit longer, but as far as the overall quality, I am not hating at all. Let's see how the quality is in the first. So it's a little bit blurry, not bad at all, but especially for the 108 megapixel, you would think it would have a little bit more detail. But let's check out the plan photo, see how that looks. All right, it's pretty good. It does actually blur out just a little bit of the background, so I might have to get this nice and centered here. All right, 108 megapixels. Let's just see here. All right, so it does have some fine details, but at the same time, it's actually blurring out a lot of the back. So I do have to do more test runs on this. You guys let me know down in the comments if you want me to do my initial review for this, or if you want a full review. You guys let me know down in the comments below. I do like how it has a signature tag there. New mobile shot on the B30 Pro, which is pretty cool. Let's see exactly what it's running as far as the stock. So out the gate, if you don't set up your Google Plus, 237 gigabytes free. About new mobile or sim status, new mobile 3. Check out the RAM. So you got your RAM right there. 12 gigabytes plus 6 gigabytes, 1080p, 6.67 inch display, 5000 milliamp battery. CPU has over 8 cores, which is pretty cool. I'm actually trying to find the Android. So this is running Android 13. Build number right there. And the last update that I had was December 1st, 2023. Now, I don't have the Wi-Fi hooked up on this yet, but I will have my initial review of the new mobile B30 Pro 5G. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments below, and we'll try to get that done for you. Big shout out to the new mobile for sending this out to me once more. I look forward to testing it out. They always have the best displays, and as far as the camera, it looks like it might need a little bit more work, but let's see if I could tweak a little setting and we can make this work. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the B30 Pro 5G and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.